Imagine a world without language barriers. Think about effortlessly connecting with people from all walks of life, no matter where you are. Picture yourself confidently expressing your ideas and sharing your stories with others. This is the power of strong English-speaking skills. Learning to speak English fluently opens doors to incredible opportunities in life. It empowers you to travel the world, build meaningful relationships, and pursue your dreams. With each conversation, you gain a deeper understanding of different cultures and perspectives. Communication is the key to unlocking understanding and building bridges between people. When you can speak English confidently, you break down these barriers. Imagine traveling to a new country and effortlessly asking for directions or ordering food. Beyond travel, strong English skills are essential in today's globalized world. They enhance your career prospects, giving you a competitive edge in the job market. Whether you're aiming for a promotion or exploring international opportunities, fluency in English is invaluable. The journey to fluency begins with a single-step practice. It's like embarking on an exciting adventure where every small effort counts. Imagine opening a book for the first time or sitting at your desk ready to dive into a new language. These initial steps are crucial as they set the foundation for your learning journey. Each page you turn, each word you write, brings you closer to your goal. It's the beginning of a transformative experience that will open up new worlds and opportunities. The more you speak English, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. Engaging in casual conversations with friends or language partners can significantly boost your speaking skills. It's not just about practicing, it's about immersing yourself in the language. Every conversation, no matter how simple, is a step forward. You'll find that over time your confidence grows and speaking English becomes second nature. It's a gradual process, but with each interaction you're building a stronger foundation. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Even the most fluent speakers started from scratch. They faced challenges, made mistakes, and learned from them. Reflecting on their journey can be incredibly motivating. Look at old photos or stories of successful language learners and see how far they've come. Their transformations are a testament to the power of perseverance and dedication. Let their stories inspire you to keep pushing forward no matter how tough it gets. Embrace the learning process and celebrate your progress along the way. Every small achievement is a milestone worth celebrating. Whether it's understanding a new phrase, receiving positive feedback, or simply feeling more confident, these moments are important. They remind you that you're making progress even if it feels slow at times. Celebrate these victories, no matter how small, and use them as motivation to keep going. Each step forward is a step closer to fluency. Think of it like learning a musical instrument or playing a sport. Just as a musician practices scales or an athlete trains regularly, language learning requires consistent effort. It's about building skills over time through regular practice. The more you practice, the better you get. It's a process that requires patience and persistence, but the rewards are well worth it. Imagine the satisfaction of playing a beautiful piece of music or excelling in a sport. The same sense of achievement applies to mastering a new language. Consistent practice is key to improvement. Establishing a daily routine can make a huge difference. Set aside dedicated time each day to practice English, whether it's through reading, writing, speaking, or listening. Consistency helps reinforce what you've learned and makes it easier to build on your skills. Over time, these daily practices become habits that contribute to your overall progress. Remember, it's the small, consistent efforts that lead to significant improvements. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are valuable learning opportunities. Mistakes are a natural part of the learning process. They provide insights into areas that need improvement and help you grow. Embrace them with a positive attitude and learn from them. Laughing off mistakes and understanding that they are stepping stones to success can make the journey more enjoyable. Each error is a lesson that brings you closer to fluency. Embrace each conversation as a chance to grow and refine your skills. Every interaction is an opportunity to practice and improve. Approach conversations with an open mind and a willingness to learn. Enjoy the process of communicating and connecting with others. The more you engage, the more natural it will feel. Over time, you'll notice significant improvements in your fluency and confidence. Remember, the journey to fluency is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep moving forward and you'll achieve your goals. Section 4. Simple Strategies for Daily Improvement. In this chapter, we will explore practical and effective methods to seamlessly integrate English learning into your daily life. These strategies are designed to be simple, yet impactful, ensuring that you can make consistent progress without feeling overwhelmed. Incorporating English into your daily routine is easier than you think. Start by identifying small pockets of time throughout your day where you can dedicate a few minutes to practice. This could be during your morning coffee while waiting for the bus, or even during your lunch break. The key is consistency and making it a part of your daily habits. Start by setting aside just 15 minutes each day for focused practice. Use this time to work on specific areas such as vocabulary, grammar, or pronunciation. You can use language learning apps, flashcards, or even jot down new words and phrases in a notebook. The goal is to make these 15 minutes as productive as possible. Listen to English podcasts while commuting. This is a great way to immerse yourself in the language without needing extra time in your schedule. Choose podcasts that interest you, whether they are about news, storytelling, or specific topics you enjoy. This not only improves your listening skills, but also keeps you engaged and motivated. Watch English movies with subtitles. This method helps you understand the context and improves your reading and listening skills simultaneously. Try to watch a variety of genres to expose yourself to different vocabulary and expressions. If you find it challenging, start with movies or shows you are already familiar with in your native language, or read English books and articles. Choose materials that match your current level of understanding and gradually challenge yourself with more complex texts. Reading regularly not only enhances your vocabulary but also helps you understand sentence structures and grammar in context. You can start with short articles or even children's books and progress to novels and academic papers. Another powerful technique is to find a language partner or join a conversation group. Engaging in regular conversations with others allows you to practice speaking and listening in a real-world context. It also helps you build confidence and fluency over time. Talking to native speakers or fellow learners provides invaluable practice and exposes you to different accents and speaking styles. This interaction can significantly enhance your understanding and ability to communicate effectively. Remember, the goal is to make learning English a natural and enjoyable part of your daily life. Section 5. Real-world confidence, examples in action. Let's say you're at a restaurant and want to order your favorite dish. You scan the menu and there it is, your all-time favorite meal. But the menu is in English, and you start to feel a bit anxious. However, thanks to your improved English skills, you can read the menu with ease and understand all the ingredients and descriptions. You feel a sense of relief and excitement as you prepare to place your order. Instead of feeling nervous, your English skills allow you to confidently communicate your order to the waiter. You ask questions about the dish, maybe even request a slight modification to suit your taste. The waiter understands you perfectly and assures you that your meal will be prepared just the way you like it. This interaction boosts your confidence even more. You enjoy a delicious meal and feel a sense of accomplishment. Not only did you get to eat your favorite dish, but you also navigated the entire process smoothly. This small victory makes you realize how far you've come in mastering the language. You savor each bite, knowing that your ability to communicate effectively has enriched your dining experience. Or perhaps you're at a conference and have the opportunity to network with potential clients. The room is filled with professionals, and the atmosphere is buzzing with conversations. You spot a group discussing a topic that interests you. With your fluent English, you feel confident enough to join the conversation and introduce yourself. Your fluent English enables you to articulate your ideas clearly and make a memorable impression. You share your insights and listen to others, engaging in meaningful exchanges. Your ability to communicate effectively helps you build rapport and establish connections. People appreciate your input and remember you as a knowledgeable and articulate professional. This could lead to exciting new business opportunities. The connections you make at the conference could open doors to collaborations, partnerships, and even new projects. Your confidence in using English not only enhances your professional image, but also expands your horizons. You leave the conference feeling inspired and motivated, knowing that your language skills have played a crucial role in your success. Section 6. Embrace the journey, embrace the growth. Learning a new language is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges along the way, but don't let them discourage you. Embrace the process of growth and celebrate every milestone you achieve. Remember, fluency is not about perfection, it's about effective communication. Don't be afraid to make mistakes or ask for clarification. The more you practice, the more natural and effortless speaking English will become. Section 7. Unlock your potential. Speak with confidence. The ability to speak English fluently is a gift you give yourself. It unlocks a world of opportunities, broadens your horizons, and empowers you to connect with people from all walks of life. Embrace the journey, celebrate your progress, and never stop exploring the power of language. Unlock your potential, find your voice, and speak with confidence. The world is waiting to hear what you have to say.